Good morning from Portugal, Certa to be specific, a mountainous area in Portugal, and it's beautiful. Beautiful morning by the mountains. For those that like this kind of scene, because not everybody likes the mountain life, but today's video is to a comment that someone left, obviously from Europe, about my video and cars being imported to America, European cars, but not American cars being imported to Europe. And he basically said, why do we need American cars? In fact, the Fords that you see in Portugal, some of them are made, or the models that are in Europe are made in Europe. So why do we need American cars? And you know what? He does have a point. But I remember once upon a time, as I was growing up in America and coming back to Europe to visit, and then spending some years in Europe at my early adult years, that everybody wanted an American product in Europe. The auto industry back in those years was not as strong. And if you had a Dodge or a Chevy or a Ford made in America, boy, you were like the envy of everybody. People wanted American products, let me say in the 70s, 80s, because products made in America, when you had a tag saying made in America, it meant something. It meant quality. It meant that you got a product that was going to last forever. Fact is that you still see old Dodge and Chevy, especially the military in some European countries, that they're still running. Fast forward to today, either they don't want our products because their products have become better than Americans. And let's be honest, there is truth to that, no matter how much it hurts. American manufacturing is not as strong as it used to be, and some argue or might argue that it has deteriorated. So European markets, European manufacturers have surpassed us. They make a better product, and they actually got a little arrogant about it as well. Like, what do we need your product for? We got our own. Just saying. Hey, by the way, if you like this kind of content for more throughout the summer from Europe, what are you waiting for? Follow me.